Welcome to America.
Check me out.
In 1996, Joseph Evans Fenton came to America not knowing a word of English.
We kind of grew up together. Well, my high school days, that's when I first met Joe, when we were freshmen at St. Lucius.
But despite the language barrier, Joseph developed a passion for hip-hop while listening to others freestyle.
JAE, dash known as spit bars, get scarred when I strike, send you to the ER. Meal a lot of enemies over the years, blood, sweat.
It didn't take him long to develop his own freestyle and join the crowd, who later couldn't get enough of him.
Joe-matic, flow, numero uno.
He became unstoppable. Music became his life. Hip-hop was his passion. He inherited the stage name Joe-matic.
Oh my God. I regret that I didn't met him yet.
But one day I gave him a hook. Kind of went like this. Niggas will be niggas, hoes will be hoes.
Hoes will be hoes, niggas will be niggas. Niggas better hold these hoes, otherwise.
With Dro being introduced to drugs, his lyrics started to change to wild cursing and
Kill, kill, kill. Murder, 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 niggas, soda, squeeze, please believe.
He would write those lyrics, and back and forth he would take those tabs over to me to read, and I would have to screen through these things to edit certain words in there. Like, Joe, this is non-Christian, we're not going there.
Unable to keep a job because of his illness, music has now become a way out. So he focused on looking for a record
I
deal.
wanna get some, let's get some. I wanna take some, let's make some on the block. Let's go.
With a love for hip-hop, a promising career, Joe seemed unstoppable. But with his illness, stress, drugs, tragedy was only a heartbeat away.
But at the funeral, like, that's when I realized, like, that was, like, my first love.
I've been through dark days. Sometimes I feel like life is shitty, but nah, it's reality.
I really miss you.
Dream Under Fire, a Jean Fenton film, coming soon.